Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about composite transformations. So let me begin by explaining the interface setup here. So I have a 600 by 600 units canvas and your polygon being drawn. Apart from that I have four sliders that correspond to three transformations that I'm going to be showing. So the first is rotation, then we have translation, the x and y components, which finally essentially go into one matrix, and we have the scaling transformation as well. So the range for each of these sliders are, so rotate goes between 0 and 2 pi, and since these sliders only take up integer values, it goes between 0 and 6. Now x translate goes between 0 and the width of the canvas, y translate goes between 0 and the height of the canvas, and finally we have scale that goes between 1 and 5. So after sliders, we have the buttons. So we have two buttons here. One is transform and one is reset. So what transform does is once you enter your slider values for all the different type of transformation that you want, you hit transform, and that essentially multiplies all the matrices together, the different matrices you have for each of the transformations, and it multiplies that final matrix with your vertices and draws the new polygon. So, for example, and what reset does is it brings it back to the original position. So, if you want to try another transformation, and you can just try only one scaling, or you can try just translate. So, any combination of these transformations work. So, basically, we have three matrices defined. One is the transformation translation matrix, then we have the rotation matrix and the scaling matrix. So these matrices get multiplied with each other and gives a final matrix, and this is used with your vertices to finally get your polygon, which you want after the transformation. And for now, I have sort of rectangle defined, but you can actually, for instance, define any sort of polygon, and all of these transformations would still hold. And that wraps up this short video on transformations. Thank you.